What's up, YouTube friends? So today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little hot pad baking kits. Each one comes with a customized hot pad, a little chocolate chip cookie mix, and a holiday spatula. These are great for craft fairs, hostess gifts, or anything like that. And I'll show you how easy they are. So the first thing you're going to need is a hot pad. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They have all kinds of colors. And then you're going to need a saying. Now you can buy these off of Amazon. You could just Google funny hot pad sayings. There's all kinds of these. And so I just uploaded them to my Cricut, and then we're just going to go cut them out. Hello friends, I don't think I ever showed you this tattoo. It's a unicorn. I always say I'm one of the last unicorns. It has a me heart tattoo. Narcissism. So I'll be using white heat transfer vinyl today, and this is a perfect time to use up your scraps. You don't want your sayings any larger than 6x6 for this style of hot pad. When you're doing heat transfer vinyl, remember that you need to reverse the image, and when you put it on your little sticky mat, it's the shiny side down. So while I'm waiting for my Cricut to boot up here on my computer, I went ahead and I preheated my heat press to 320 degrees. The directions say 300 to 320 for 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm doing mine for 13. Now I'll be using my heat press, but you can go ahead and use your home iron or your little Cricut press, anything like that. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions. So I'll be using the everyday iron on setting, and I always do more pressure. And then we're just going to cut this out and weed it. Alright, so as I mentioned, my heat press is heated to 320 degrees. So I'm just going to press my hot pad just for a few seconds. Then you just want to center your little saying on here. This one is seasoned with love. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my Teflon sheet down, and I'm going to press this for 13 seconds. Then I just let it set for a little bit and then peel it off. If your letters or numbers are sticking, go ahead and press it again. And this one looks pretty good. I like to press it until I can see the texture of the hot pad in the vinyl. So if it wasn't, I'd go ahead and just press it again one more time without that plastic cover sheet. So after that, we're just going to stuff these. So I got a 9-pack of these chocolate chip cookie mixes off of Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. So each hot pad is going to get a cookie mix. Then I also got some holiday spatulas off of Amazon. It was a 10-pack. So I'm just going to pick which one I like. For this one, I think I'll do the little tree. Now to make these a little more professional, I'm going to put them in these plastic bags. Now these plastic bags are 9 inches by 12 inches. They're a little big, but I already have these on hand. So I'm just going to put it in my bag. And seal it. With the extra bag, I'm just going to fold it to the back and tape it down. And then I went ahead and designed some bag toppers on Cricut Design Space and cut them out. So I'm going to round my corners with my corner punch. I'm going to fold it in half. And then with my long stapler, I'm just going to staple it on. I'm kind of pushing my loop down so I can get this farther down onto my bag. Then I'm just going to staple it 3 times. Just like that. So this is a really fast and pretty inexpensive gift that anyone would love to have. I hope you give this video a try. I have one more video I'm filming today. I think I'll put 2 out this week and 2 out next week. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy holidays. And I'll catch you in the next video.